Sir, thank you for accepting my interview. May you introduce yourself first before the question, sir?
I am Mr. Eusebio. I'm a graduate of civil engineering and from TIT Manila, and I finished my master's of environmental engineering from UP Diliman, and currently doing my dissertation for my PhD in University of the Philippines Diliman.
Sir, the first question, sir. Do you have any experience in tunnel construction, sir?
I remember once when we did box culvert. Not a very
Box
big,
culvert, sir.
not a very big tunnel actually. It's still underground construction, like a tunnel. That's a box culvert used for alleviating river flows across a road on top of it.
Saan lugar yun, sir?
Sa may Island Cove in Cavite.
So, sir, nung dun sa construction niya, ano kayo dun?
I was one of the project engineers in the site.
So, project engineers. Sir, what are the ways on how to prevent the dangers in tunnel construction? In your own, sir?
Of course, you have to do the ocular inspection of the site first, because the apparent dangers are and the stability of the soil. The soil may collapse, and the people working in that tunnel may be put into danger. Another thing is the workers should have all the construction gadgets and protections when they are working in tunnel construction. And the engineer should also be very careful, especially in the installation of copper dams and preventive structures for possible soil collapse. That's the danger of tunnel construction.
So, sir, did you know any accidents? Can you tell something about it, sir?
Oh yes, oh yes. In high-rise construction, in Makati there was a steel
In tunnel, sir.
in
Sa tunnel
tunnel.
muna. Yung mga accidents na nangyari sa tunnel.
So basically natabunan no? Natabunan
Natabunan.
sila. Kasi they were doing something, maybe they are doing some steel reinforcement. Tapos they shouldn't be doing that during the rainy season.
Delikado talaga yun, sir.
Oo,
Malambot yung
lumambot
lupa.
yung lupa, and then medyo natabunan yung mga tao. So minimal lang naman ang tao, because the project we had was just a small one. Kaya medyo hindi naman gaano madaming tao.
Sa ibang construction, sir, maliban sa tunnel, ano naman yung mga yung accidents?
Sa ibang construction, yung mga nakuryente, sa mga steel structures, the people who are working on the steel structure, then accidentally an open electrical wire top on it, and everybody got electrocuted. Oh, they even fell to the ground.
Namatay
Even
naman
and
yun, sir.
yeah, some collapsed, some died of falling. Namatay sila sa pagbagsak sa iba naman ng kuryente.
Sir, for you, sir, what are the things to consider before making a tunnel?
Oh, yan. So, dapat maging familiar, especially the project
Sa plan,
engineer,
sir.
sa safety precaution and the possible hazard sa isang project site o sa tunnel site. May sabi ko, ocular inspection. And the project should be done during the dry season. Kasi pag rainy season, kung
Less yung
malambot ang
accident,
lupa, you
sir,
don't know
no?
what will happen.
Less accident pag
Oo,
dry
mas
season.
less accident yan. And proper communication to the workers regarding the work activity na gagawin nila. Eh, minsan, yung miscommunication, the people, the workers, were not properly informed what to do.
Parang nagkanya-kanya, sir.
Oo,
No?
kanya-kanya lang gawa. Walang communication, walang mga caution na dapat gawin if there is some warning for possible accident that could happen.
So,
Yung problema.
so sir, but why are there still accidents even though they are following safety measures?
You know, accident, kaya nga accident yan eh, you don't know. It is very unpredictable and yet could be mitigated. It could be minimized and mitigated. When I mitigate, it could be controlled. Sabi nga ni Eddie Murphy sa Murphy Law. You know Murphy Law? Ang accident ay everywhere. You should consider things na pwedeng mangyari at pwedeng magkaroon ng accident anywhere para maiwasan mo talaga siya. Do not feel free or relaxed. Sabi ni Murphy, kung saan hindi mo inaasahan, mag-expect ka na may mangyayari doon. So, in that way, mas lalo mong nagkakaroon ka ng eye-opening na mag-iingat ka. Kahit sabihin mo yung ibang tao ay walang pakialam mo, hindi, you know, they will never think of the worst thing that might happen. Pero according to Murphy, no, Eddie Murphy, in his Murphy Law,
Ano yun, sir? Parang movie?
no, he was a military man from the US. And he was the one who established, you know, he was the one who created the theory that accident is everywhere. If a person will just put the situation like an accident-prone situation all the time, then only then that you will be able to foresee and prevent accident. Mga isang halimbawa ay na sa isang kalye, kung kailan paliko, doon magkakasiksikan ng mga mabibilis sa sasakyan. Nangyayari yan eh. No? Kung
Baligtad,
kailan
sir.
may meeting, doon nagko-collapse sa mga ano. Kung kailan, di ba?
Baligtad,
Kaya
sir.
sa Titanic, di ba? Kung kailan sila nakabuild ng pinakamatibay na barko in that time,
Tsaka
in
naman-
1912.
Tsaka naman nabutas.
Nabiyak pa sa gitna. Ganon. Pag hindi mo inisip yon, madadamay ka. Pero if you come to think of the Murphy Law, kahit ano pang pinakamatibay na structure may accident dyan at the Murphy Law, sabihin niya. So, ikaw bilang isang engineer, having in mind the Murphy Law, never feel safe, never feel comfortable in a place. Always think of something.
Kailangan alerto ka lagi, sir.
Ganon. Masyado nga lang parang paranoid, parang praning siya, no? Pero siyempre,
Pero maganda rin sana kung lagi.
oo, maganda yun kasi yung unpredictability ng isang accident ay nagiging predictable. Yun eh.
So sir, for you, what is the most dangerous part of the tunnel construction?
Most dangerous part of the
Tunnel construction, sir. Ano yung parang pinaka-most
pag
dangerous?
nagko-concreting na.
Concreting, sir.
Concreting na kasi
Yung parang pinapatigas sa loob, sir.
hindi, nagbubuhos ng semento kasi andyan yung mabigat. Yes, sir. Andun yung mabigat na load tapos napakalambot pa ng semento, so andun yung heavy weight na dadagdag sa structure tapos nasa ilalim lahat ng mga tao. Kumbaga, yung binubuhos mo ay napakalambot pa nun. Hindi kagaya ng pag matigas na yun.
Pwede pang bumigay agad yun, sir.
Oo, bibigay talaga. Pag malambot yung mga forma mo, yung mga supports mo, pwede magkulas, matabunan ng mga
Sir, naglalagay din ba ng column dun sa loob ng tunnel?
Alin?
Parang column, naglalagay din.
Formwork, we call it shorings and formworks.
Shoring.
Shorings and formworks.
Hindi column, sir.
Yeah, those formworks and temporary support should be strong enough to carry the concrete na ibubuhos sa tunnel.
So, for you, sir, is the tunnel construction is the most dangerous project?
Hindi naman.
Bakit, sir? Why?
Kasi may mas dangerous pa nga eh, yung mga nasa dagat, sa gitna ng dagat, construction, underwater, yung mga
Ay, mga
mahirap
mga
gawin,
itatayo ng
geotechnical,
bridges,
and underwater construction.
yung mga nagdudugtong po ng mga lugar.
Depende pa rin talaga sa project at sa nag-handle ng project ang danger.
So, sir, do you ever plan to have a project like tunnel construction? Gusto niyo bang magkaroon ng project na ganun? Kung di man sa Pilipinas, sir, kahit sa ibang bansa.
Ako, okay lang. Why not? It's a challenging project. It's a very challenging project.
Ano ba, sir, yung ano nyo, parang forma nyo? Anong construction kayo? High-rise, residential,
Residential ako.
residential ka,
I
sir?
was exposed to medium rise lang and residential.
Sir, for your last question, sir, what is your advice to civil engineers and workers in order to avoid accident?
Be very, very cautious, no? Be very, very cautious and always obey the safety, the standard safety. Pag nasa project site, kailangan naka-gadgets, naka-protective gears lahat. And
PPE,
also,
sir, no?
and also do only what is being required for you to do. Do not, huwag yung pakikialamay yung trabaho na may trabaho na hindi nyo alam. Kasi doon
Doon
ng
nagkaka-aberya,
accident.
sir.
Nagkaka-aberya. Diba, trabaho ni ganito, pinakikialaman. At saka, yun nga, Murphy Law, always think that something might happen and you should be cautious. Kahit gano'ng kasip ang isang lugar, may aksidente pa rin dyan. Yun yun.
That's all lang, sir. Thank you po. Maraming pong salamat.
You're welcome.
Sir, thank you po.
Edit.
Opo, sir.